Hello class, today we're gonna draw pumpkins with a twist. We're gonna be using a coffee filter and a paper. There is a special reveal at the end of the class that's a big surprise. The way we're gonna start is just push your pumpkin down like this, and you're going to draw a large oval in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're gonna add like a letter C, but a little shorter. Do you see I'm not going all the way to the bottom? I'm ending right there. And then a little lower than that, I'm gonna do another letter C shape crescent, like a little moon. I'm using an orange marker. Then I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna add another letter C. And if it wiggles a little bit, that's okay. Pumpkins are organic shape. The shape doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm adding another letter C. I'm adding a little bit shorter away from the line. See how I have the wavy line here? Okay, next up, I'm going to use green for my wine, green marker. These are washable Crayola markers. Next thing we're gonna do is draw our wine. You can also draw a tendril, which is a spiral line. And you can also draw a leaf, if you like. And we can shade it any way we like. I can even shade it all the way in like this. And in the back, I'm gonna add more little upside down frowns. They're kind of like little hills. It makes you think there's more of the pumpkin in the back and it's shaded. So we're gonna also darken just one side of each of the pumpkin part, just like this. This is called shading. And then we're gonna keep coloring the rest of the yellow. Notice that I'm not using the tip of the marker and pushing down. I am using the side of the marker. You see what a difference that is? When you're using the tip of the marker, it gives you a different look. You can have that look too if you like that look. But you're gonna color majority of the thick line with the side line so you can show where the pumpkin parts are differentiated, where they're separated so that it looks more like a pumpkin. And you can keep working on that. And you can use your cross hatching. This means crisscross with the tip of the marker. And then side, nice thick line with the side of the marker. I'm just gonna continue. I could use yellow, or if I have a tan marker like this one, I could use that color too. Yellow would be beautiful as well. Or you can make a scary pumpkin using black eyes or anything you like at all. Or pink, if it's your favorite color. Okay, you can add shading even to the wine. Okay, for the grand reveal, I'm gonna go, see how I'm going over with the side of the lighter marker over the crisscross, and see what wonderful shading I got right now. Okay, now we're gonna, see I already have the print here a little bit, and now it's gonna happen even more. I'm gonna lay it on top of that print that I made. That's why I had that paper. And now look what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take this water bottle, and these markers are washable markers, and they're gonna make a transfer, our printing, our monoprint on this page. You're gonna actually make a print today. Now gently spray it, and the teacher will help you with this, and teacher will come around and help you spray your pumpkin. You're gonna let them soak and dry, and next class you're gonna be ready to pick them up. You can't take them in today so they can nicely dry and we can get most of the nice, beautiful pigment. You can kind of go over it with your finger very gently like I'm doing so they lays flat. So our pumpkin is gonna have a beautiful shape and everything gets printed correctly. And then we're gonna put it in a drying rack. And when we come back, we should have beautiful monoprint on that paper ready to frame and sign. You're gonna sign your pumpkin on the side. I'm gonna sign mine, Miss Kramer, with a smiley face. And that's all. We'll see you in class. Now is your turn.